so I'm doing a unboxing with like stuff. Okay, so well, two things are not supposed to be in this video, but I'm gonna show you anyways. And open it. So here's like the sticky rolls. It's really cute. Wait, there's series 3. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. I really want it. Wait, I actually got series 3. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, satisfying. I can't open it. Oh my god. I actually can't. No, I can't open it. Can't. No, you can do it. Satisfying. I don't care about that, but let's. I can do it. Yes, that's all. But sorry for you guys waiting. Just actually unboxing it. I'm really scared. I don't know if it's like a mystery or like. It's like, I don't know. I'm doing the dumplings last because it's, because like I haven't opened them yet. I can't open this. Okay, sorry guys for that wait. I don't know. If you don't know what stickers are, there. Oh yeah, I think I just got the rare. Oh my god, I got the rare. It's golden. Oh my god. It's golden. What the flip? Wait, is it a mystery? I don't know if it's really a mystery. I think it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is a mystery. I got like a golden penguin. I got the rare. I got the rarest one. Oh, I got the rarest one. Look, this is rare. This is gold. And then look at this. Ultra rare golden chili Charlie. And I literally got the exact same. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Oh my god. I've now got the rest secure. So my sister's got like the golden secure bracelet. And there's only one like the box. Okay, now I'm gonna open this squishy sugar bear. Oh, I didn't feel it through the box and now I'm feeling it. Oh my god, that's actually very smart. Oh my, this one's not working, guys. That bad luck, that might not get the golden dumpling. I actually got just got them today. Just came up from the shop that I got my dumplings from. Guys, how do you open this thing now? Okay. First ASMR. Oh, it's pretty big. First ASMR. First question. Ooh. That is good. That is some good, like, textures. Like, it's a sticker. And there's only one in the whole box. And, like, it's got the gold. Sorry, we're not supposed to be focusing on that, but I'm focusing on this. Okay. ASMR. Can you hear it? Because I can. I can IRL. Oh my god. That's that. This is not supposed to be in the video, but like I'm just showing you. It's like a little border that my mom got me. It's really cute. Okay, anyways. Let's do my dumplings. Which one's heavier? I think this one. I'm gonna do some first. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, nice smell. Funny, there's a nice smell. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got yellow. Mine's called yellow, like actually yellow. Oh, they're cool. I got the yellow dumpling. Okay. Oh, I didn't say what I wanted. Sorry, guys. I think these are real ones because this is RMS. You can't really see. Oh yeah, no, you can kind of see RMS, and also because the real ones have RMS. So I think it's real. Comment down below if you think it's real, because I think it's real. Okay, I got the yellow. Nice. So the ones that I want is there's no pink on here, so I don't know. But yeah, I don't think there's pink. I really want. Okay, that's good. Obviously glitter, purple. What if oh my god, what if I get a duplicate? Or blue. Okay, let's see if this ASMR works now. I can't do like this ASMR. Oh, that was good. Okay. Let's see. Which dumpling is it? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the red.
Did you get a rare one?
Yeah.
Wait, which one? Where is it?
I got the red. Because look.
Oh, that! I thought it was the dumpling that you got rare.
Oh.
I got red as well, but I just traded with Leilani.
You got blue?
I got red, but I traded it with Leilani.
Oh, what does Leilani have? Oh, Leilani had blue.
Red,
Yeah.
blue, and she got green.
Oh. I got...
How was your sleepover? Good? What did you get?
And I got yellow.
You got yellow.
I got yellow and red.
Hello.
Guess what? I got the ultra. I got the ultra chili darling.
What is that?
Oh my gosh. I know. Oh. Don't got my eye video.
Wait, what is that?
Stop it. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
I got the ultra.
What is it? I've never
like
seen you
sticky
guys buy
rolls.
those. Oh.
It's new.
Sticky.
I got the
I'm
red,
watching.
green. I got the red, green, and
I got red and yellow.
red, green, and blue.
All three.
And I trade for the yellow.
For what?
The blue.
Yeah. Do you have light blue?
It's not like that.
Can
show
you
you
show me? Okay, that's the end of my. Stop touching it. You have your orange scope.
I can't believe you got the red.
So, hope you like the video of my dumplings. I think it's real because.
I can't believe you got the red.
So let's stop. No, I don't open. Oh no, you do kind of like open. Okay. Hope you like my video of opening my ultra red chili dolly. That was like so. Because I didn't know if it was a mystery or what. Because I literally got golden chili dolly. Which one did you get?
I'll show you.
Oh, Jojo's really cute. Rex. I got Rex. I really wanted Happy Axie, but I'm happy with the one I got. Because, like, yeah, it's the golden one, like the rarest one. Okay. But here's, like, the super rare. But I got the ultra rare. Here's a super rare. Stardust and Bun. Stardust and Bun. This one is Cora and BB. Happy Axie. Okay guys, yeah, I just hope you like my video. Me opening my dumplings. Oh sorry, can't see me. My dumplings, my squishy box, my squishies. And yeah. Just yeah. Opening my 3 squishies. Dumpling, red, and yellow. And yeah, I mean opening like opening oh my god, I actually got the ultra rare. I'm gonna put it back in. to keep it safe. Because I don't want it to die. I don't want it to like get damaged. Because it's the rare girl. It is the rare. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Okay, anyways. And he's like a little like. Oh, you squeeze the arms. Random. And like I got like a little. I don't know. But like it's really cute. It says hold by the arms, tear, and pull out one sticker, squeeze arms to hold. Pro tip, twist first, then tear. Oh my god, I actually got the oh my god, I still can't believe it. I actually girls. Okay, sorry guys for you waiting. But yeah, I just hope you like the video of me opening, doing an unboxing. Like the squishies and sticky rolls, obviously. And yeah, I just hope you like the video. One my ASMR of this, because they're really good. Okay, I hope like comment down below if you think these are real, because like I think they're real. Like literally, RMS is everywhere. RMS, and also on skeleton. Is RMS. It's like RMS is the real brand, and RMS. So comment down below if you think they're real, because I think they're real, because I like my first two real dumplings. But I want to get the purple or blue. I'm going to trade in my sister, I think. And yeah, I hope you like this video of me opening all my stuff. Bye! I'm sorry. Like, comment, subscribe as well. And subscribe if you want more videos, like, of unboxing and stuff. Okay, bye!